Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. This is Samsung Galaxy A22 and now I will replace the display guys, and you can see this display is broken. First I remove the SIM tray, and guys now I remove the back cover. So I need a tools plastic remover. First I have to heat up the background. This guys, here is the screw. I have to remove this all screw. So for this I need a star screwdriver. So I remove all the screw first, and guys now I will remove the plastic back cover. So be careful to remove this first, and then now I will remove the battery connection because this phone is still working, and then I remove this connection on the display. And now I will heat up this, or first I check the display with frame or without frame. If with frame, I just remove the parts and I put it here. I think this displays with frame, so I need just remove the parts and put it here. So for this, first I have to disconnect this and remove the, have here two more screw. Okay, and now I disconnect antenna connection, and also I have to remove this all the connection. Be careful, I have to remove this all. So I remove this carefully all and come back. So guys, now I will remove this screw. Remove the main board, and guys, this is the microphone speaker. Remove also this one. And also need to remove the power key. So remove power keys very carefully. This is the important. Be careful, you have to remove this, because if you're not careful it will be damaged, the power key. Very slowly you have to remove this, see. Now I have to remove the battery. So remove battery, need a steel. So for remove battery, I have some glue, just can remove like this or heat up. See the glue. Finally I have to take all these things from old display to new display. This is the microphone filter. I return back this all. So guys, first I have to return back the microphone power connection. Return back the same position. And guys, now I return back the speaker connection. And then now I return back this connection here. And I take this, return back here the battery. Return back one screw here. Before close, I just check display working. You can see here is display working. Hello guys, you can see this touch is working perfectly. So now I will close all. First I close phone, power off, and then now I return back this part. Before I return back this speaker, this vibration, and now I return back the charging socket. And I have to return back this antenna connection first. Now I return back this connection, and I return back this one, the speaker connection. Turn back all the screw, return back. And guys, I return back now the fingerprint cable and return back this and return back all the screw finally. Okay guys, now I will return back the back cover and I put some glue in the back side. Before I put the new glue, I have to clean all the side, the old glue I have, and I return back the cover. I have to put glue. Okay guys, now I'll return back the back cover. I have this, see, before is glue, so I clean and I put it. Okay, now I need elastic and I close. So guys, my phone is finally done and now I will keep it. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.